What excites me about Moringa is its uniqueness. Not only that Moringa can do wonderful things for the health and wealth of our bodies, it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. It is definitely on the list of superfoods. Moringa oleifera is called the miracle tree in Ghana because every part of this tree has medicinal properties, from the leaves to the stem, the flower, the seeds, the bark, the sap, the pulse. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the Moringa leaf. How 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder supercharges your entire body. Now, just a side note, did you know that Moringa is a complete vegan protein, a nutrient-packed powerhouse? Sure, it is. One of the things that make Moringa so unique from other plants in terms of its nutritional value is the fact that it has 40 essential amino acids. So it is nutrient dense than many of our common foods. It has all the essential amino acids. It has 7 times more potassium than bananas, 2 times more protein than milk, 4 times more calcium than milk, and 7 times more vitamin C than orange. It has 25 times more iron than spinach, 36 times more magnesium than in egg, and 50 times more vitamin B3 than in peanuts, and also 56 times more vitamin B2 than bananas. 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder supercharges your entire body in so many ways. And since it is a powerful house of antioxidants, Moringa leaf provides or fight free radicals responsible for what we call oxidative stress that damages the mitochondria, which is at the heart of our cells. These free radicals cause chronic inflammation, and you may be thinking, why is Moringa so powerful? It is because almost all diseases like heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune disease, metabolic syndrome, and about every other disease in this world that you can imagine has one thing in common, or a common denominator, and that is inflammation. And Moringa leaf is a super anti-inflammatory agent. So by taking 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder, you are combating this inflammation in your body. Your health gets better and you live longer. Again, 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder every day has cholesterol lowering effect. It helps prevent or reduce excess fatty liver, and so this will also reduce your bad cholesterol, that is the LDL and the triglycerides, which come from eating these refined products, excess sugar, and even poor diet, lowering and preventing plaques that obstruct blood flow to the heart and brain, helping reduce your risk of heart attack, stroke, and other conditions. Now, when it comes to blood sugar control, insulin resistance, pre-diabetes, and diabetes, Moringa leaf powder makes you more insulin sensitive and less insulin resistant, and that means it's going to help you control your blood sugar levels properly. Moringa leaf also provides some immune boosting effect due to its powerful antimicrobial properties. It helps build your immune system so that you can stay strong and healthy. That is why 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder in the morning supercharges your entire body. It will definitely keep the doctor away. Then also, Moringa leaf powder is known to support brain health and cognitive function. They are powerful antioxidants and phytonutrients with high content of vitamin C and E helps fight oxidation in the brain. That is what we call neurodegeneration, helping reduce and prevent neurodegenerative disorders like dementia, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and so forth. Again, taking 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder in the morning reduces inflammation. And since it is a powerhouse of minerals and vitamins which greatly support nerves, bones, and muscles, it provides some relief to gout, leg cramps, and even arthritis. We all know the importance of the liver. Those polyphenols in Moringa leaf right here helps prevent what we call liver oxidation and fatty liver, keeping the liver healthy. And studies show that taking 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder every day, especially in the morning, can help reduce liver fibrosis and damage. It helps increase also bile production to emulsify fat and for better digestion, serving as a detoxifier as well. So a scoop of Moringa leaf powder to any smoothie of your choice is wonderful. It can be taken as a tea as well. This will supercharge your entire body in so many ways that you will love it for the health and wealth of our bodies. So this brings us to the end of our discussion, how 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf supercharges your entire body for the health and wealth of your body, for longevity as well. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a like, Comment below and share this with your loved ones. Your health, your life. Thanks for watching. God bless you.